p.m. Central Daylight Time. 5:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Barnesville to 4 miles south of Winona, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Pawhuska, Barnesville, Winona, Osage State Park, Bartlesville Municipal Airport, Okesa, Hershey, Malagonee, Talbot.
She doesn't like storms. Just comment on this video if you can only hear one radio and tell me what radio that is. This guy, I can't get to go off. I'm gonna see what's going on, but I don't know why, so. Alright, this is number 2.